Hello, greetings from Axanta Business Solutions. In this video tutorial, we shall understand how to create landed cost product group. Usually, product groups are created for the accounting purpose as they have an accounting impact. So now let's see how to create landed cost product group. So to create the new product group, we'll click on the menu and we'll click on the purchase module. Then here under configurations you will find product groups, so we shall click here, and here you will find all the existing product groups that has been created in the system. Now in order to create the landed cost product group, we shall click on new. Then here we shall give the name. So here we'll enter landed cost. Then here, as you can see, by default all this setup has been done, the costing method, the inventory valuation. Then here in the stock input account, we shall enter this account as stock interim landed cost account. This is the account. And in the stock output account also we shall enter the same account. Then here in the expense account also we shall enter the stock interim landed cost account. So once you have completed all this setup, you can save this. And now if you click here, you can see this landed cost product group has been created. So this is how you can create landed cost product group in Axanta ERP.